Hello friends, how are you all of you? I am Sheikh Muzaffar and I welcome you all in this today's beautiful session which is non-homogeneous linear differential equation of second order and its solution process. I will be quickly moving into this session. I just stick with me for the entire session. Let's write non-homogeneous linear differential equation of second order and its solution. So what is the standard form in this case? So can I write the standard form? Can I write standard form? Can I write standard form? So the second order y double dashed plus of p into y dashed plus of q into y equals to r, where p, q and r, where p, q and r are functions of x, are functions of x, are functions of x or constants, और constants. क्या लिखा हूँ स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म? ये क्या है? सेकेंड ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव है. ये डी टू वाई बाई डी एक्स टू प्लस पी इंटू डी वाई बाई डी एक्स प्लस क्यू इंटू वाई इक्वल्स टू आर, where p, q and r are functions of x or constants. So what is the general solution in this case? What is the required general solution of the non-homogeneous differential equation? So can I write the general solution y equals to, so who is the dependent variable in this case? Y is the dependent variable. So that's why the solution becomes y equals to, so can I write y suffix of h plus of y suffix of p. So where, what is y suffix of h? Where, so what is the homogeneous equation from the non-homogeneous equation? The right hand side becomes 0. If it right hand side becomes 0, then we can get the homogeneous equation. So here y of h is a general solution, of homogeneous part, of homogeneous part of, suppose do the numbering, suppose this part becomes 1, so of 1. So can I write what is the homogeneous part? So therefore homogeneous part it becomes how much? So homogeneous part, homogeneous equation. So can I write homogeneous equation of the non-homogeneous equation? So can I write y double dashed plus of p into y dashed प्लस ऑफ क्यू इंटू वाई इक्वल्स टू 0. ये जो इक्वेशन लिखा हूँ ये हो गया होमोजीनियस इक्वेशन. इसका सॉल्यूशन क्या लिखा हूँ? जनरल सॉल्यूशन y सफिक्स ऑफ h, y सफिक्स ऑफ h, here h indicates the homogeneous part of the non-homogeneous equation. Then can I write and yp? What is yp? What is yp? Yp be any particular solution. Can I write yp be any particular solution, yp any particular solution of 1. That means this is non-homogeneous equation containing no arbitrary constant, containing no arbitrary constant, क्या लिखा हूँ? तो ये जो जनरल सॉल्यूशन होगा नॉन होमोजीनियस इक्वेशन का, इस सॉल्यूशन का अंदर टोटल 2 आर्बिटरी कांस्टेंट रहेगा. यहाँ पे मैं लिख दिया हूँ yp इज द पर्टिकुलर सॉल्यूशन ऑफ एनी पर्टिकुलर सॉल्यूशन ऑफ दिस नॉन होमोजीनियस इक्वेशन कॉन्टेनिंग नो आर्बिटरी कांस्टेंट. इसका मतलब क्या है? ये जो होमोजीनियस पार्ट लिखा हूँ, होमोजीनियस इक्वेशन ऑफ द नॉन होमोजीनियस इक्वेशन लिखा हूँ, तो इसका जो होमोजीनियस पार्ट होगा उसका जो जनरल सॉल्यूशन होगा उसमें 2 आर्बिटरी कांस्टेंट इंक्लूड रहेगा. तब मुझे यहाँ पे फाइंड करना है yp. तब इसमें क्या करेंगे? देयर आर, सो कैन आई राइट देयर आर 2 मेथड्स, for finding, there are two methods for finding solution, for finding solution to the number 1 solution by undetermined coefficient, solution by undetermined coefficient, solution by undetermined coefficient, and second one is solution by variation of parameters, variation of parameters. अगर नॉन होमोजीनियस इक्वेशन मुझे मिले तब मुझे क्या फाइंड करना है, दो तरीके से मुझे फाइंड करना है इसका सॉल्यूशन। एक है सॉल्यूशन बाय अनडिटरमाइंड कोएफिशिएंट एंड सेकंड वन क्या है, सॉल्यूशन बाय वेरिएशन ऑफ पैरामीटर मेथड। सो आई विल डिस्कस फर्स्ट सॉल्यूशन बाय अनडिटरमाइंड कोएफिशिएंट, और वी कैन से सो कैन आई राइट solution by undetermined coefficient, so in same process here whatever I have written, this is the non-homogeneous equation. So here in this case if I consider this part, if I write suppose non-homogeneous equation in this manner, non-homogeneous equation, if I consider this part, y double dashed plus of p into y dashed plus of q into y equals to r. So here if I consider suppose this part becomes constant term and again this part becomes constant term. So can I write here rx, here a and b are two arbitrary constant, where r of x, r is a, so can I write r is a function of, so can I write r is a function of x, that is, so can you say it, either you can get exponential function, or you can get polynomial function, we can get polynomial function, or we can get sine and cosine function, we can get sine and cosine function. Again we can get the sums, either we can get exponential function plus polynomial function, or we can get polynomial function plus sine function, and product of such functions, So here in this case so write down note, so can I write note the method of undetermined coefficient, can I write the undetermined coefficients method, undetermined coefficient method can be used to find particular solution containing no arbitrary constant, तो यहाँ पे जो अनडिटरमाइंड कोएफिशिएंट फाइंड किया जाता है उसका तरीका क्या क्या है तो उसको डिस्कस करेंगे। सो कैन आई राइट different rules for finding for finding undetermined coefficient, undetermined coefficient, undetermined coefficient. Number one, the rule becomes, so can I write basic rule? Can I write basic rule? Terms in Rx, terms in Rx, a choice for Yp, choice for Yp, y suffix p, particular solution. So here, if I get the constant term, suppose if I write k into x to the power the n, where n becomes 0, 1, 2, so can I write in this manner? So if you get the arithmetic function, here I have written x to the power the n. Suppose here k into x to the power the n, if you get Rx, then what is Yp? How can I write? So Yp it becomes k suffix n x to the power the n plus of k suffix n minus 1 x to the power the n minus 1 plus of dot dot, can I write k1x plus of k naught. अगर यहाँ पे एक्स स्क्वायर रहेगा तो यू कैन राइट ए एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस बी एक्स प्लस सी. देन वी कैन राइट इफ यू गेट द एक्सपोनेंशियल फंक्शन e to the power the kx. So directly you can write e to the power the kx. So directly you can write e to the power the kx. Again, if I get k into cos function and sin function, k cos of omega x or k sin of omega x, k sin of omega x. Can I write this line? Then it becomes, can I write k of cos omega x plus of m into sin of omega x. Can I write this line? Then can I write, if I get in this manner, k into exponential function e to the power the x cos omega x, or we can get k into e to the power the ax sin of omega x. Then what is yp? So can I write the same process? एक्सपोनेंशियल फंक्शन का एक्सपोनेंशियल फंक्शन होता है तो इसको मैं लिख देंगे एक्सपोनेंशियल फंक्शन को एक्सपोनेंशियल फंक्शन, एंड कॉस फंक्शन एंड साइन फंक्शन का यहाँ पे लिखा हूँ वाई क्या होता है. सो कैन आई राइट के ऑफ कॉस ऑफ ओमेगा एक्स प्लस ऑफ एम इंटू साइन ऑफ ओमेगा एक्स, तो यहाँ पे क्या लिखा हूँ बेसिक रूल में, अगर आर एक्स इस तरह का फंक्शन होगा k इंटू एक्स टू द पावर n बाय एक्स स्क्वायर, देन हाउ कैन राइट? इफ यू गेट द एक्सपोनेंशियल फंक्शन आर एक्स बिकम्स, देन यू कैन राइट इन दिस मैनर. इफ यू गेट cos of omega x or sin of omega x, then you can write in this manner k into cos omega x plus m into sin omega x. If I get product of this term exponential function into trigonometric function, so here I have written exponential function, that becomes exponential function into cos omega x, here I have written, so that's why I have written this part. So this part becomes basic rule. Then I will discuss modification rule. So can I write, second one is modification rule. So can I write this part? It becomes, if I take one example, then it is clear. Suppose if I solve one problem, then it is clear. Write down the question, solve or find particular solution, find particular solution of can I write y double dashed minus of y dashed minus of 6y equals to 10 into e to the power the 3x। यहाँ पे क्या लिखा हूँ, ए नॉन होमोजीनियस सेकेंड ऑर्डर लीनियर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन है। नॉन होमोजीनियस, द राइट हैंड साइड नॉट इक्वल्स टू 0, so that's why it becomes non homogeneous। So how to find the solution in this case? What is the process? So can I write what is the, this is the non homogeneous equation, suppose do the numbering, this part becomes 1। so what is the homogeneous equation? Therefore homogeneous, the homogeneous part of non homogeneous equation, the homogeneous part of 1, can I write this part? It becomes y double dash minus y dash minus 6y equals to 0। can I write what is the trial solution? Y equals to e to the power the mx, where m not equals to 0 be the trial solution of this given differential equation, mean homogeneous part। so here I have written, so can I write this part, what is y double dash? so this part it becomes y becomes e to the power the mx। so what is y dash? Y dash it becomes e to the power the mx, again d dx of mx, so it becomes m, again we can write y double dash, so it becomes m square into e to the power the mx। can I write this line? Then replacing the values, suppose do the numbering, suppose this part becomes 2, so from 2 can I write replacing the values, so finally if you replace the values, m square into e to the power the mx, so can I write m square minus, so here it is y dash that means m minus of 6 whole to the power the e to the power the mx equals to 0। so can I write m square minus m minus 6 equals to 0। so can I write since e to the power the mx not equals to 0, then can I write m equals to, so can I write this part, it becomes m equals to, so minus 2 comma 3, can I write, so what is the general solution of the homogeneous part? General solution of the homogeneous part, y of h equals to c1 into, so here two roots are real and distinct, c1 into e to the power the m1x, so can I write minus of 2x m1x plus c2 into e to the power the m2x, m2 that means 3 m2x, where c1 and c2 are arbitrary constant, where c1 and c2 are arbitrary constant, where c1 and c2 are arbitrary constant, can I write this line? Then can I write this is the general solution of the homogeneous part of the non-homogeneous equation। so let us consider how to find the particular solution y of p। so can I write what is the right hand side? so it becomes exponential function, so first of all we can write the exponential function e to the power the 3x, can I write this line? e to the power the 3x, so can I write, so here a into e to the power the 3x into, then verify it, so can you get whatever I have written the rx becomes e to the power the 3x, so check it, so can you get the coefficient of c1, it becomes rx, here in this case no, again check it, if coefficient of e to the power rx equals to coefficient of c2, yes, so that's why you can multiply into x। so how to find, so where a is the undetermined coefficient, undetermined coefficient, we have to find the value of the undetermined coefficient a। so for finding the solution, finding the value of a, so here check it, whatever the non-homogeneous equation is given, so here, so can I write what is yp dashed, so can I write for finding the value of a, so here in this case for finding the value of a, here I have required yp dashed and yp double dashed, yp dash, that means, so can I write a is the constant, so here the first function is constant, if I write a, the first function is constant, differentiation of the second function x, it becomes 1 plus of second function is constant, differentiation of the first function, so 3 into e to the power the 3x. Can I write this line? So can I write a into e to the power the 3x plus of 3x into e to the power the 3x. Can I write this line? Then we can write what is yp double dashed. Can I write yp double dash taking ordinary derivative with respect to x both sides? A into, so can I write, so differentiation of e to the power the 3x, so e to the power the 3x, 3 into e to the power the 3x plus of 3 is the constant term, so can I write 3 into x into e to the power the 3x. Here I have written x into e to the power the 3x. What is the differentiation? This part. So can I write e to the power the 3x plus of 3x into e to the power the 3x. Can I write this line? So using the values, so replacing the values of 1. So from 1, so can I write from 1? So can I write yp double dashed? So can I write yp double dashed minus y dashed, yp dashed minus of 6 into yp equals to 10 into e to the power the 3x. Can I write this line? Then can I write, so replacing the values, yp double dashed, yp dashed, then yp. Here I have written yp. Can I write this line? So replacing the values, so can I write yp dash, so can I write a into, so this part. So here verify it, 3 into e to the power the 3x, 3 into e to the power the 3x. Again 3 into 3. So can I write yp double dash a into, can I write, here can I write 3 into e to the power the 3x, 3 into e to the power the 3x. So can I write 6 into e to the power the 3x. Here it is plus of 3x, 3 into 3, 9 of x e to the power the 3x minus yp dashed. What is yp dashed? Yp dashed, it becomes this part, minus a into e to the power the 3x plus of 3x into e to the power the 3x. This is yp dashed, minus of 6 into yp. What is yp? Yp, that means this part, 6a x into e to the power the 3x equals to how much? The right hand side. What is the right hand side? Right hand side, it becomes 10 into e to the power the 3x. So can I write, this line becomes, so equating coefficient e to the power the 3x. So can I write equating coefficient e to the power the 3x both sides. So here verify it. What is the right hand side? Right hand side becomes this part. Right hand side becomes e to the power the 3x. What is the coefficient? So it becomes 10. So here in this case, so verify it. If you simplify this term, so can I write, so here check it, 6 into e to the power the 3x. If you simplify, after simplification you must get 5a into e to the power the 3x equals to how much? 10 into e to the power the 3x. So finally you can write a becomes, so can I write 2? Can I write a becomes 2? Therefore the particular solution, the required particular solution, particular solution is, what is yp equals to, so it becomes how much? A becomes 2, so 2 into e to the power the, here yp becomes this part, 2 into e to the power the 3x into x. Can I write this line? So this is the required particular solution. If I consider another example, suppose y double dashed minus 3y dashed plus 2y equals to e to the power the x. So if you take the homogeneous part, so how to find the yp? I will discuss up to this much. So if I write the homogeneous part, 3y dash plus 2y equals to 0. Can I write what is the general solution? In this case, y of h. What is the general solution in this case? So in this case, so can I write C1 into e to the power the x plus C2 into e to the power the twice x. Can I write? So if I write here in this case auxiliary equation, so it becomes how much? M square minus 3m plus of 2 equals to 0. So m becomes how much? So m becomes 1 comma 2. So here I have written yh become this part. So what is yp? What is yp? Same process. What is the right hand side? So it becomes e to the power the x. So check it. Can you get whatever I have written the rx? So can you get the coefficient of C1? So it becomes Rx. Yes. But in this case, this part not equals coefficient of C2. This part not equals to Rx. So can I write? So A into, so this is e to the power the x. So can I write e to the power the x? यहाँ पे एक बार आया है e to the power the x, तो इसलिए एक बार x मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा. ये है yp. If I take the another example, suppose y double dashed plus of 2y dashed plus of y equals to e to the power the minus x. इसका जनरल सॉल्यूशन क्या है? होमोजीनियस पार्ट का जनरल सॉल्यूशन है y ऑफ h. इसका जनरल सॉल्यूशन क्या है? c1 प्लस c2x होल इंटू ई टू द पावर द माइनस एक्स. यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? दो रूट जो आएगा m का वैल्यू कितना आएगा? दोनों रूट आएगा -1, -1. टू रूट्स आर रियल एंड इक्वल. So that's why I have written this part. Then what is yp? In this case yp same process. yp क्या आएगा? यहाँ पे देखिए rx क्या है? e to the power minus x. चेक करो c1 का कोफिशिएंट भी e to the power minus x, c2 का साथ में भी मल्टीप्लाई है, c1 का साथ में मल्टीप्लाई है, c2 का साथ में. तब इसे क्या करेंगे? a इंटू e to the power minus x, rx है e to the power minus x. तो यहाँ पे c1 इंटू e to the power minus x, तब इसका क्या है? ये c1 इंटू e to the power minus x, इसका साथ में ये वैल्यू सेम है, तो इसलिए x मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. फिर c2 का साथ में मल्टीप्लाई e to the power minus x है, e to the power minus x है, तो इसके साथ में भी x मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. पहले फाइनली कितना आ जाएगा? a इंटू एक्स स्क्वायर इंटू e to the power minus x. So can I write the same process? We have to find the undetermined coefficient. If I take the another part sum rule, sum rule problem, so can I write? Suppose y double dashed minus of y dashed minus of 6y equals to minus e to the power the x plus of 12x. So here, so what is the general solution? What is the general solution of the non-homogeneous equation? General solution y of h क्या आएगा? c1 into e to the power the minus x plus c2 into e to the power the 3x. c2 into e to the power the 3x. So yp, इसको yp कैसे चूज करेंगे? yp equals to, so can I write? तो yp कैसे लिखेंगे? तो यहाँ पे देखो, तो rx जो है e to the power the x, यहाँ पे e to the power the minus x और यहाँ पे e to the power the 3x, इक्विवेलेंट नहीं है, तो इसको क्या लिखना है? a into e to the power the x. Can I write? a into e to the power the x. और यहाँ पे 12x है. अगर यहाँ पे अरिथमेटिक फंक्शन आएगा तो इसको क्या लिखेंगे? इसका पावर कितना? 1 है, तो इसको क्या लिखेंगे? bx प्लस ऑफ c. 12x के लिए तो मैं a वाला टर्म लिखेंगे और e to the power the minus x के लिए a वाला टर्म लिखेंगे. सो कैन आई राइट e to the power the minus x, a इंटू e to the power the minus x. तो ये हो जाएगा मेरा yp. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट टूडेज वीडियो. आई होप यू एंजॉयड द सेशन एंड लाइक द ट्रिक्स. So don't forget to share among your friends and don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe button and write whatever you need in the comment section, because if you do that I will keep on working hard for all of you guys. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.